Silent night, holy night, all is calm and all is bright round yon virgin mother and child. Holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace. Sleep in heavenly peace.
Hi, it's me, Justine. Wish you magical and blissful holiday. Lots of love, peace, and happiness this Christmas and throughout the whole year. And I also want to say thank you. Very, very much. Thank you for all your support, all the comments, all the messages, and for your time you've spent with me singing. See you in 2020 in the new Harmony Games, and I hope that this community of open-minded singers will grow and will be helpful for all of you who wants to sing and learn harmony. Thank you. You're the best. Bye.